Imagine walking into your home and instantly feeling a sense of comfort, inspiration, and joy because every detail reflects you. Sounds dreamy, right? But finding and developing your personal interior style is often easier said than done. With so many styles, trends, and influences around us, it's easy to feel lost. Should you go all in on minimalism, a splash of boho, or maybe a vintage modern fusion? The truth is, there's no single right answer. And that's the beauty of it. Your home should evolve with you, growing as your tastes, experiences, and life circumstances change. Today, we're diving deep into how to find and develop your unique interior design style, embracing a mix of influences while ensuring your space truly feels like home. Whether you're a serial redecorator or just getting started on your design journey, this guide will help you craft a space that speaks to who you are. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Home and Harmony for more creative decor ideas, design tips, and home styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button if you love home makeovers, and drop a comment sharing your favorite interior style. Now, let's get started. For home buddies and design lovers, a beautifully curated space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about how it makes you feel. But how do you define a style that truly resonates with you? Unlike fashion, where trends are fleeting, home decor decisions feel more permanent. Furniture is an investment, wall colors take time to change, and major renovations can be costly. So, where do you start? Begin by paying attention to what you naturally gravitate toward. Scroll through Pinterest, Instagram, and interior blogs, saving images that spark joy. Take style quizzes to get a general idea of what fits your personality. But don't just focus on entire room setups, zoom in on small details. Maybe you're drawn to bold color palettes, textured fabrics, or unique lighting fixtures. Even if a full space doesn't resonate, certain elements might. Another great approach? Observe real-life inspirations. Look at hotel lobbies, chic cafes, and even friends' homes. What details stand out to you? Take pictures, keep a design journal, and let your preferences guide you. Your style isn't something you force, it's something you discover. One common mistake? Trying to copy a look instead of making it your own. While perfectly curated, Pinterest-worthy rooms are inspiring. Your space should reflect your personality, lifestyle, and comfort, not someone else's vision. Instead of sticking rigidly to one style, embrace a mix-and-match approach. Maybe you love the clean lines of modern design, but also feel drawn to vintage accents. Or you adore the coziness of farmhouse aesthetics, but want to incorporate sleek, industrial touches. Blending styles helps create a transitional and versatile look that won't feel outdated as trends shift. The key? Find a common thread that ties it all together. This could be a signature color scheme, recurring textures, or timeless furniture silhouettes. For example, my own home combines Japanese and Moroccan influences, modern minimalism, and vintage decor. But what keeps it cohesive is my love for neutral tones, natural wood, and bold statement pieces. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Test out small changes, switch up accessories, layer in new textures, or introduce different patterns. Your style should feel fluid and adaptable, growing with you over time. Here's something most designers won't tell you. Your interior style will never be finished. And that's a good thing. As you move through different phases of life, your needs, preferences, and inspirations will naturally shift. Maybe you're transitioning from a solo apartment to a shared space, welcoming a new pet, or simply craving a fresh start. Change is inevitable, and your home should reflect that. The best way to navigate this evolution? Hold on to key elements that define your style, but allow for updates and adjustments. If you've always loved monochrome patterns, keep that as a base but experiment with new accent colors. If vintage furniture is your thing, mix in contemporary pieces to keep it fresh. For me, black and white prints, deep green accents, and warm wooden textures have remained staples in my decor. Over the years, I've reinterpreted them in different ways, on rugs, headboards, and even kitchen accessories. This keeps my space feeling cohesive yet refreshed. So, trust your instincts. Let go of what no longer serves you, and don't be afraid to try new things. After all, your home isn't just a reflection of your past. It's a canvas for your future. At the end of the day, the best interior design style is the one that makes you feel at home. Your space should be a reflection of you, telling your story through color, texture, and carefully chosen details. Finding and developing your style is an ongoing journey, one that should feel exciting, not overwhelming. So, start small, explore different inspirations, and most importantly, have fun with it. There are no strict rules, only guidelines to help you craft a home that resonates with your heart. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your personal interior style? How has it evolved over time? Let's chat. And don't forget to subscribe to Home in Harmony for more design inspiration. Your dream space is just one video away. Happy decorating!